Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Understanding What You Read by Asking Questions. This is the topic of Chapter 5 in our textbook, which is this little book about how to write a college-level essay. This assignment is worth 25 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We see the young girl reading, and as she's reading, she's asking questions. And this is the topic of this assignment, understanding what you read by asking questions. But how do you ask questions? What questions do you ask? This is what we're going to find out in this assignment. Okay, so we have 3 links here. We have the timeline, the assignment, purpose, and the textbook help that we'll need to click on. But before we do so, I'm going to read the directions. Create a detailed fiction reading methodology for yourself. Make sure you include steps before, during, and after the reading process. Number your steps 1, 2, 3. So what is a methodology? Well, I have a link here, as you can see, that will take you into a formal definition of this word, but I'm going to give you a definition in my own words that's very simple. A methodology is simply a way to do something. You have a methodology for putting on mascara if you wear mascara. You have a methodology for showering, what you do first, second, third. You have a methodology for dressing, a way you dress, how you usually dress. And so what we're going to do in this assignment is we're going to create a methodology for reading fiction. What do we do to understand what we read? Okay. Let's go up to these links and let's click on the timeline. Submit this work by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. If you cannot meet this timeline for the Chapter 5 work, go ahead and send me an email and inbox. Let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and go back into all of our directions and click on the assignment purpose. Okay, so the assignment purpose for this Chapter 5 work, the purpose of this assignment is to help you to read fiction with understanding. How can you do so? You can develop a list of questions to ask a work of fiction, questions to ask before you read, while you read, and after you read. Well, how do we do that? Let's look for some help. And help is in the textbook help. So I'll click on this link. To help you complete this assignment, use pages 159 through 162 and pages 174 through 179 in Chapter 5 in this little book about how to write a college-level essay. If you do not have the textbook, then you can copy the textbook pages you need by going to the reserve desk in the Pace Library at West and checking out the textbook for 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and take us back into our assignment here. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, anything you don't understand, any problems, I'm here in inbox. Please email me. You're never emailing me too much. You're never bothering me. I love to hear from you. I care about your learning. And email me as many times as you need to. Okay? All right, let's get going with this assignment, understanding what you read by asking questions.